Hello and welcome once again to our channel InfoAct. Here we give interesting and knowledgeable facts of the world. So I would like to request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram. Link is given on the description. Today we will discuss about the dark phase of Facebook and social media. With over 2.6 million monthly active users as of the first quarter of 2020, Facebook is the biggest social network worldwide. In the third quarter of 2012, the number of active Facebook users surpassed 1 million, and after 2014 it jumped to 2.6 million, making it the first social network to do so. During the last report of the company stated that almost 3 billion were using at least one of the company's core products like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram or Messenger each month. The wide range of Facebook-related app ensures that the company is one of the world's most popular app publisher worldwide based on downloads. It is also an universal truth that the Facebook account can be hacked, no matter how strong your password is or how much extra security measures you have been taken. Hackers with skills to exploit the SS7 network can hack your Facebook account. All they need is your phone number or mail ID. Which users of Facebook make it more easier for hacker by exploiting their phone numbers and mail ID in logging in different types of apps and websites. According to the New York Post, approximately 160,000 Facebook accounts are compromised every day. While there are numerous advantages of using the service, there are also some negative aspects. Have you ever questioned yourself why Facebook added the feature of putting the location status while adding a pic? It is also assumed by the non-ethical hackers that it is the process to control over the immense large population like India by United States by having their data with them. Information warfare aims at generating uncertainty in the societies. It does not aim to convince people of one interpretation, but to undermine confidence in all interpretation of events. Fake news does not want to convince people that it is true. Their target is to reach most individuals receiving the fake news. You can also connect when I say about Indian education system prepared by Lord Macaulay, who was the Secretary of Board of Control of India during the British rule. He once said that India's best product will one day work for us. So coming to the dark phase of Facebook, as the growing number of people receive some of all their news from the social media network or platforms like Facebook or other social media sites, social media trends to reinforce it rather than challenge their existence. The really dirty secret about Facebook and other social media platforms and search machines is the way in which they facilitate information warfare. While frustrating public diplomacy campaigns aimed at countering information war, Facebooks are driven by algorithms that ensures that users get content that fits with their own likes. This in turn reinforces the echo chamber effect, where we listen only to the news and opinions we agree with. The world has been outraged. Cambridge Analytica scrapping personal data from Facebook to facilitate targeted campaigning in the elections or other political purposes. There are also some other major disadvantages like addiction of social media, mental stress disorder, etc. So be careful and be curious of what you share and receive in the social media platforms.